Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about how we integrated technology, softwares, hardwares and online tools into our project and how it help us create the final films and the blog. Technological conversions overview. Technological conversion is when different technologies and platforms come together to create a single project or the media product. In our product, in our project, we combine the software and hardwares and the online tools to plan, create, edit, and share our work. This made the workflow smoother and more professional. For example, filming requires a camera tripod, editing requires Adobe softwares, and sharing updates requires online tools. Them to Using them together allowed to make the final product that looked polished and was easy to manage. Prosumer. We also apply the Web 2.0 concept prosumer theory. Our audience does not just watch the film, they interact, comment, share online by using online platforms like Google, YouTube, Google Sites, and social media, which allow the audience to become the active participant, giving feedback, encouragement with our software. We use a variety of software for different stages of the project. Microsoft for writing the script, planning, documentary, and project note, and the PowerPoint for the presenting ideas and showing storyboard. Excel for budgeting, schedules, and tracking resources. Adobe Photoshop for editing posters, pro- promotional images, and a thumbnail. Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing and color grading for video editing, color grading, adding transitions and sound designs and finalizing the film. Each software has a special load and together they help us organize and create and present the project professionally. Hardware we use. We also use the hardware to bring the film to life. Laptop for editing, research and blog creation, camera and the phone for filming, capturing different angles and the close-ups, lighting equipment to set up the mood for the scenes, tripod gimbals to stable the shots and create smooth movement. Using the right hardware allow us to produce high quality visual and ensure the film look professional. Online tools. We integrated online tools to manage the project essentially efficiency. Google site for creating our blogs and sharing the project online. Google Classroom and Docs for collaborating, writing script and sharing films. For example, to communicate quickly with team members and solve problems instantly. Email for official submission and sharing document with teachers. Other app software used for planning, tracking, and editing our CCR document. This took me to remote collaboration with simple ensure we could work together even we were not in the same location. Integration of everything. By combining softwares and hardware and online tools, we create a smooth workflow. Planning, Microsoft Word, Excel, documentary docs help us to organize the script schedules and the budget. Filming, cameras, phones, tripod, lighting equipment allow us to capture professional shots. Editing, Adobe Premiere Pro and the Photoshop helps to finalize the virtual and create a promotional content. Online share. Google Sites and Google Classrooms and the virtual allow us to collaborate, share works, and get feedback. This integration ensured that every part of the project was connected, and we could move from the planning to filming to editing and publishing and seamlessly. In conclusion, using the technological effectively was essential for the success of. In conclusion, using a technological effectively and was essential for the success of our project. Software, hardware, and the online tools works together to help us plan, create, edit, and share our films and blog professionally. Technological conversion are not only improved the quality of our project, but also taught us how modern media production works and how to manage multiple tools at the same time. By integrating everything, we were able to produce a final blog on the film Deadlock professional and is easy to access online, encourage our audience effectively.